Hello, this is a tutorial on 10.4 AB1. I'm going to combine these targets here. It's hard to separate them. 10.4A is when we're going to classify the triangle, and 10.4B is where we're going to be finding the missing angles. For this first activity, we're doing both. First of all, we're going to classify the triangle. So looking at this triangle here, is it acute, right, or obtuse? Well, it's got three acute angles here. They're all less than 90, so this guy here is an acute triangle. Okay, and we can also say that it's an acute isosceles if you want to. They didn't give us those choices, but these two sides are the same, so we'll call it acute isos. All right, the next one, find the missing angle. Well, you know that there's 180 degrees in a triangle, so my formula will be 180 minus the 84 minus 81, and that's going to be my missing angle. So it'll be a small acute angle. So 180 minus 84 degrees minus 81 equals 15. This is going to be 15 degrees. Okay, let's do another one here. This one here, actually, you know what? This is not an isosceles triangle. This is not an isosceles triangle because these two angles are slightly different. It looks like it is, but I just noticed that. All right. This one here, and again, these two angles are different. That's what made me notice it. This can't be an isosceles triangle, but this is an obtuse triangle because there's one obtuse angle here, angle X. What is it? Well, let's figure it out. Let's take 180, we're going to minus the 24 degrees, and then we're going to minus the 36 degrees, and then we're going to have it. Well, 24 and 36, that's 60 degrees. 180 minus 60, this is going to be 120 degrees right there. If you don't trust me, you can check your calculator on that one. Pretty straightforward. Okay, and do this one here. Here we have a 90-degree angle. They're trying to trick us. So this is a 90-degree angle. So we're going to classify this guy as a right triangle. It has a right angle. And then what is the missing angle? Well, it'll be 180. It'll be minus that 90 degrees and then minus the 49 degrees. Okay, you could probably do that in your head. I could too, but let's be lazy and make sure everybody knows how to use it. So we'll take the 180 and we're going to subtract that 90-degree angle, and then we're also going to subtract that 49-degree angle, and we should have 41 degrees left. So this here, x is 41 degrees, because 41 plus 49 would equal the other 90 degrees. Okay, good luck on this one. Sorry about my little mess up there. Let's just keep going here. Down here, now we're just going to classify the triangle by its angles and its sides. So first of all, its angles. Well, we can see that these here are both, those little tick marks mean they're identical in measure. So this is definitely going to be an isosceles triangle. And then we want to check out the angles. Well, the angles are all less than 90, so this is an acute triangle. Acute triangle. So we have an acute isosceles triangle. Abbreviate isosceles as isos, like that. Okay, take a look at this one. Again, we have two sides that are the same, so we know that it's isosceles. And then we have this one angle here that's obtuse. So this has got to be an obtuse isosceles or an isosceles obtuse. Either way you want to do it. This one has one 90-degree angle, so this is going to be a 90-degree triangle or a right triangle. And now we have to just say, is it, is it isosceles or, if you take a look at both of these here, you'll see that these two angles are different. If the two angles are different, the two sides are different. So this one is actually a scalene right triangle. It has three different sides. If you were to mark it, it'll look like this. You put one tick mark here, two ticks here, and three here, showing that all three of these are different sides. Okay, good luck finishing this sheet.